Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get wire transfer details on Coinbase. Firstly, open your browser and go to the Coinbase website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Now from the top menu, click Trade. Then on the left side, locate the Wallet Balance tab. Click Deposit under Wallet Balance, and from the drop-down list under Currency Type, select USD or the currency you want to deposit. Now choose Wire Transfer as the payment method, and Coinbase will then show your bank name and address, your unique reference code or account number, and routing and account numbers. Use the provided wire details when sending funds from your bank, and make sure to include the reference code exactly as shown. This ensures Coinbase credits your account correctly. Wire transfers can take from 1 to 3 business days to complete. Just know that your bank may charge a wire fee and Coinbase may have minimum deposit requirements. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.